a desert specialist, and one of Africa's rarest predators, the brown hyena. This ghost town is her home. Its ruins give her valuable protection from the elements. She has been here for 15 years. She's already reared 9 generations of cubs. These 2 youngsters have reached a critical stage in their lives. They're 4 months old, and now they need regular solid food. But there is nothing edible in these ruins, so their mother has to look elsewhere and may leave them for several days on end. Brown hyenas may walk over 20 miles a day in search of food. This is some of the most hostile country on the planet. Temperatures reach a blistering 50 degrees Celsius. Strong winds blow incessantly. Hyenas from all over the Namib head for where the sand dunes meet the sea. Cape fur seals. There are around 10,000 of them here. Adult seals are large and strong, but their pups are neither. The youngsters are closely guarded by their mothers. A hyena, however, knows to be patient. Sooner or later, seal mothers must return to the ocean to cool off. A single seal pup could feed a hyena and her family for days. It now has to be carried back. A jackal is here too. And it's not alone. The jackals won't follow her very far from the coast. It's too hot for them in the desert interior. Only by making these long journeys can brown hyenas manage to survive in the middle of the Namib.